the Shark AI Robot Self-Empty XL, model number AV2511AE from Amazon and Shark. We're going to unbox it and we'll get started today. I have my co-worker, my son Elijah. Say hello. Hi. Right, fresh out the box is what it looks like. Comes with a QR code for your app. Quick start guide. Got your side brushes there. Maybe some extras, who knows?
Yes, Papa. Wow, look at that.
Yep, wow. That's the robot, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to lift that off of there?
Yeah.
Let's
I
see.
believe Papa. I believe tea.
That's the robot itself, and here's the
I
self-empty bin.
believe.
All
I
right.
believe Papa.
Now we're going to
What
get
is
this all out
that?
the box and see y'all in just a second. What it looks like straight out the box. We're going to peel the wrapping off. This is the Shark AI Robot 2511AE. The 60-day capacity with the bin here. It's bagless, which is one of the really cool features that I like. It's also LiDAR, so therefore it has really good navigation, room by room and row by row, with the matrix cleaning. So therefore it goes in opposite directions and cleans the area twice. All right, I've been joined by my older son, Caden here, who's going to help us peel off the wrappers. Go ahead. That satisfying sound. Just grab the bumper bar. Yeah, there you go. Nothing better than that adhesive coming off of the robot. All right, this is the bumper bar with the sensors. You have the clean and dock button, the actual physical buttons. This thing is really nice looking. They call it like a cool gray, even though I would say it's kind of like off-white, but it looks really nice. Those are the side brushes. Flip it over.
What that? What?
Once again, this is a Shark brand, so it looks like it has the like a duo type thin brush. Nice wheels there, heavy duty looking. And connect the brushes, please. So they just snap on like so. There you go. Push them down. Yeah, so
Oh, help.
they just snap on. There you go.
Okay.
Boom. And those spin. They don't go as fast as other brands, but that may be a positive thing, in my opinion. All right, now let's peel off the wrapper of the self-empty bin. You want to help him, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, get in there. Get that blue one off the top. Wow. And you see it has a little window. You can see the dirt level. You press this button right here. Pops out. Just like a Shark vacuum that we have, there's a little button that displays a canister. My son found and that's how you open the canister. Just press the orange button, and then you empty out the contents, which I'm sure will be dirty, straight into the canister or your garbage can. Once again, really nice looking. Alright, so the robot has a sufficient charge. It's done the mapping run where it wanders throughout the house to create a map. I did find that the map is a little silly. For example, this area right here is the entrance to my house, and then I have a pretty big couch, and it cuts off into my front room. You see I have quite a few things here with my kids. Well, it judges my couch as a wall, so therefore on the map itself, it has like this being a square and that being a square with this being like a wall. So it looks a little silly, but you know, no complaints. It still functions as it should. So like I said, we're gonna sprinkle these on the ground. I mean, I do find in other videos that these do tend to work pretty good as an example of just the pickup power. So I'll sprinkle a few down and show you guys where they'll be at. This is just a you know, pretty decent little carpet that I have. I would say it's probably like a medium thickness. It's pretty nice. And then I just have tile throughout with area rugs in the rooms. So the robot itself is actually not that loud. It's a little louder on the tile than it is on the carpet. This is on the standard selection. There's a max selection. But for this purpose, I'm just doing standard selection. Like I said, I've already done the mapping run, so it knows its way around. Don't mind the turkey fryer. It was just Thanksgiving. So there's definitely Rice Krispies on there, on the ground there. Quite a few. Kind of blend in. So far, it's picking up pretty much everything goes over. Drove right through it. It is actually doing a pretty good job. I would say it's 99% effective. Pretty good job. Now the Rice Krispies, you know, that's just surface debris. So, I mean, if this were like sand or something, it might be a little bit different. But overall, I mean, that's what these are for. Everyday cleaning. It does have a stronger suction level or setting. This is just a standard setting. See, that pile is pretty much gone now. Pretty impressed. It does get caught up on a couple things like the toys and whatnot. It doesn't necessarily have smart object detection. I created a no-go zone around the tree, but apparently it only avoids objects that are 3.5 inches or taller, unlike other smart robots that cost more that have, you know, 3D obstacle avoidance. I've had a few other brands and they've all been disappointing. This is my first, oh no, I'll take that back. This is my second Shark. I had the Shark Ion bot, who I gave to a family member. And this is my first Shark robot in a long time. It does leave nice lines in the carpet. That's one satisfying thing as well. Looking at the carpet though, there's not one Rice Krispie treat or Rice Krispie left. Actually, I take that back. There's one out of what? 75, whatever that was. So 99.8% effective. So on the way back to the self-empty bin after the kitchen run. I'll give you guys an example. Sorry, Zoe. So you are supposed to leave, I think, like 3 feet on left and right and 5 feet in front, but I don't have that space because Zoe has a huge kennel. But it still finds its way back here. It pulls up to it, lines up, turns around, backs in. Alright, the base does have HEPA filtration, and did see the window, you saw the Rice Krispies kicking around in there when it sucked them out. Yeah, pretty cool robot. All right, so final conclusion, the Shark AI2511 is a pretty darn good robot. At 50% off at Amazon Black Friday, I think it was a good deal. $600, maybe not, but $300, definitely a good deal. You know, features like recharge and resume, evacuate and resume, where it goes back every 30 minutes to empty the bin if you have a really dirty house. It's a cool feature. Extended clean, ultra clean, which you know, for high traffic zones, it goes one direction, then goes back to the other direction to get a deep clean, if you shall say so. You know, I can divide the rooms, send it to a specific room, spot clean, different suction levels, no-go zones. Pretty good robot. No bags on the empty bin, which is another nice feature. The only thing, like I said, that would have been really nice is to see where the robot has been and where it still needs to go. That's just me personally. But other than that, really cool robot. Looks nice. It's not loud like my other ones that I used to have. It's not as loud as Zoe snoring over there. But nonetheless, I would recommend. Well, this is it for my review of the Shark 2511 robot vacuum. This is actually one of my first reviews I've done. Just decided to do it because I couldn't find one myself on this particular unit. They do have quite a few of units that are the 2500 series, like the 2501, 2511, and I think the 2502. Just a little bit different color schemes and maybe some features here and there, but I think they're all pretty much the same. Nonetheless, guys, if you liked it, thumbs up, comment, and let me know what you guys think. Till the next time, appreciate it.